Jingle bells ring and jingle bells roll. Holly jolly Christmas, it's the best time of the year.
Ooh, what's up, y'all? Please ignore the curse on my what's name, but I need to make Niles' stuff for boarding, so I usually just split them up in these Ziploc bags. I am going to get. I ain't taking your shit today. Let me get it split up. This man eat too much coconut oil, honestly. But I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna mix it up. Cause I just don't have time. He only eats. Like, I don't know. He been real picky lately. I'm gonna do this, y'all, and then I'll come back.
Just like the ones I used to know.
Run to Target. Number one, around the Ziploc bags. Number two, I forgot to buy Niles. I'm out of breath. I forgot to buy Niles his meat when I was in Target today, and all he got is dry stuff. He needs some meat, so I got him some of these because he loves cheese. He don't really eat these two things, but they will do. So this is my new suitcase I got. Ain't it pretty? It was, I don't know how much it was. It had to be like 60 or 70 at TJ Maxx. This shirt, my mother-in-law made it, so I will definitely include her her business here and in the description box down below. Y'all, she does everything, like literally everything. Like she can put something on stone. Like she put my grandma and my grandpa on stone for me. And that's that picture out y'all seen in the first Vlogmas video at the end. Like, y'all, I'll insert a clip, but she, like, y'all need to go check her out. She does everything, cups, embroidery now. She does embroidery. She does t-shirts. She does masks. She does, what's it called? She does wine glasses. She does ear pod cases. You want your face on anything, she can do that too. She does bags. Like, if you want your whole face on a bag, she can do that for you. Like, she does everything, y'all. Like, check her out. Her company name is Exceptional Creations, and I will again link it down below. Y'all, so I am fully packed, ready to go. I took out my stuff for what I'm wearing to the airport tomorrow, and I put it in a different bag because Russell lives on the 3rd floor, and Pootie baby, no, this luggage may be 50 pounds over. We don't know. But I'm not carrying this big ass crate up the stairs. That's all I'm saying. So I still need to go to the store and get some socks. I guess I'm just gonna wear Crocs the whole time because honestly, that's how it is at the parks. Like, you want to be comfortable. I didn't buy any gym shoes, or I did buy gym shoes, but they didn't come in time. So So I'm probably just gonna wear my white Crocs all the time, and I do have some dress up shoes. I didn't show that in this video because, girl, I was trying to get packed quickly. Like, I need to go get my brows done. That's what I'm about to go do now, and I'm not gonna get them like how I usually get them. I'm just going to get them cleaned up. I'm about to make sure I tell her, but I don't want them to be like you know, I just want them to be cleaned up because I'm kind of liking the thick brow look. Loaded fries.
Take orders. There's a purple shirt. Can I get the loaded fries? Hey, you can get him.
I believe in you. Come on, Candy. Oh.
Okay.
I just want y'all to see the score.
She can eat it.
I am in 3rd place, but Candy is up for the running. We are at the end of the game. Who will win? I think.
Oh, nut.
Wow. I guess we are considered losers. Ooh. How the hell? How the hell they get that damn close? Oh. Sorry. Ooh. Right.